Okay, what's going on? This is Tech Goodness, guys, and let's unbox this gaming headset that I just got from Amazon. It's made by MPow, which I believe is a Chinese company. It had amazing reviews, so I just went out and bought it. The good thing is that this headset really varies in price. So I think it was posted for $50 Canadian or $55, but then it had a $15 coupon that was applied at checkout. So I ended up getting this for $40 Canadian, which is actually cheaper than their non-pro gaming headsets, which is pretty cool. So let's go over some of the features here. Big ear cup design, LED lights, so this thing lights up, and 3D surround sound. I know it's compatible with 7.1 channel surround sound, so that's going to be really useful in those FPS games that we all like to play. So again, 50mm drivers, that's the big thing. Some more features. Let's see. I heard the microphone is also really good, so let's unbox it. Okay, there's nothing else in the box. Let's put that aside. It's a giant bag, which is not a bad thing. Okay, obviously they didn't spend much time and effort. They didn't put much time and effort into packaging, but hopefully, these headphones are huge. You could see that they definitely have huge ear cup designs. Here's the microphone. So the cable is braided. It seems pretty heavy duty. Okay guys, so I was able to get the focus in a bit more dialed in. So this right here is the remote controller where you can just adjust the volume. You have the microphones, well, not in here, but you do have the microphone controller, so you can mute yourself or turn it back on. So again, I'll just show you that USB, so you can plug it into your computer, and then this goes into the Xbox controller, PS4 controller, whatnot. So let's see how long this cable is. Yeah, so this cable is quite long. I'm assuming it's around 8 feet. So back to these guys. The construction's pretty lightweight. It has this metal frame here. It seems a bit flimsy, but again, given the cost of $40, I'm not really expecting that much. Again, you have this comfortable headband design right here that adjusts based on the curvature. So yeah, I'm excited to try these out. I will let you know how they are. I definitely like the design of these. I think it looks a lot different than a lot of current headsets that are out on the market right now. So that's pretty cool. And yeah, let me know if you guys want me to review these. I can talk about them, see the sound quality, talk about the differences, and draw some comparisons to some other headsets on the market. There were actually a few more things that came in the box with the headphones that I'm going to discuss right now. There's the microphone pop filter. So that's good for canceling wind noise. So yeah, it comes with the FAQ. And again, that's surround sound. And also comes with this cable. I'm assuming that's just a small bonus. Not exactly sure what this is. Usually it's the other way around, where you have the single jack and then you can connect two 3.5mm headphone jacks. So if you guys know what this is, what this cable does, please let me know. It might be for like the left and right speaker type of thing. So yeah, thanks as always for watching, and I'll see you next time.